Okay, we're gonna do a quick test drive here. Now the flickering that you see on the screens, that's just in camera, that is not in person. We have 8,668 miles on the odometer. This truck is very nice inside and out. Really no complaints. It's pretty much a brand new truck. The steering wheel's really nice. The steering wheel's perfectly straight. Truck shifts really smooth. Really no complaints with drivability, it's perfect. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at that wheel, you do have a little scratch there. Otherwise, that wheel looks good. Fender looks awesome. A-pillar's clean. Now here on the side mirror, the little spots on here are from bugs kind of splattering and sitting on there a little too long and etching into the clear. Door looks good. That trim's clean. That looks nice. That wheel looks good. Got the bed liner, nice and clean. You got the window tint here. That looks really cool. That's nice and clean. I don't see any rock chips there. Upper side looks really good. Got a chip right there. I'm sure there's a couple here and there, but it's very subtle. Nothing's really standing out to me. That looks really nice. Here on the gloss black, when the bugs kind of sat on there, they etched into that just a little bit. Once again, very subtle. The fender looks good. That wheel's clean. I mean, this truck doesn't have very many miles on it, so it hasn't really sustained much. Side mirrors, you're going to see the bug etching there, unfortunately. A-pillar looks good. Those doors look nice. Bed is clean. That wheel looks good. All of that is really nice. There's not much to pick apart on this truck, honestly. It's very clean. All right, checking out the interior. Got the cloth seats, center console, non-smoker, and this thing is very, very nice. Pretty much brand new at 8,600 miles. Looking at that door panel, that looks perfect. Got the carpet mats. That bolster looks good. I'm not seeing really any wear on the seats. Here on the steering wheel, all of that looks good. Buttons are nice and clean. Automatic headlights. Push button start. Massive screen. Auto start stop. I mean, there's really not much to pick apart in here. They definitely took care of this truck for the minimal 8,600 miles that it has on it. Here on that door panel, looks perfect. Carpets are nice and clean. That bolster looks good. I don't see any scuffs or scratches. Upper section looks good. That console's clean. There's really not much to pick apart on this side. Got the double glove box. Headliner looks good. Here on this door panel, you got a tiny, tiny little scuff there. That trim looks good. Got your storage underneath. Carpets look brand new. All of this looks really nice. 2 USB-C ports and then the USB, and then a 115 volt 400 watt outlet there. And checking out the engine bay, all of that looks perfect. The liner looks good.